Hello everybody, welcome back. Today's video is just a really quick short video to show you the brand new members free gift from Hunkydory. This is Puppy Love. I ordered this the other day and it's just come, so I'm really happy because there was a Royal Mail strike somewhere in the middle of all that and it's come really quick, so really pleased with that. Now before I get into the video, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love if you'd hit the subscribe button and help my channel grow. And if you enjoyed today's video or find it useful, please also remember to hit the thumbs up button. So this is a members free gift from Hunkydory, as I said. So in case you don't know what that is, Hunkydory is a crafting brand here in the UK. It's also quite well known in America. And once a quarter they bring out this free gift for members. It is available to buy if you're not a member, but it's free to sign up. You just got to go onto the Hunkydory website, find the hub, sign up in there, and you'll get notified when there's a new members free gift. As I said, it's about once a quarter. They do email you, but you can obviously keep checking the site. It's no obligation. This is not a sponsored video either, just to put that out there. I did buy this with my money, but if you don't fancy it, you don't have to have it. Like, I haven't had one for months, and then I saw this and couldn't resist it, so I've got it. So it's a really good deal. You only pay postage. Now these did used to be £2.99, however everything's gone up. So this was maybe £3.79 or something, but that's all I've paid and it is so worth it. So let's get it open and I will show you what's inside and why it's such good value for money. Okay, so it is called Puppy Love, and as we can see, it's going to be very puppy themed. So in the pack you get 4 300 GSM A4 foiled die cut top sheets. You get 4 350 GSM foiled cardstocks, and you get 4 350 GSM A4 printed cardstock. So everything basically you need to make coordinating cards. So this is the first topper set. This one's called Forever Yours. Now I have a spaniel, so that really appealed. I'm hoping there's a lab in here somewhere as well, but how cute are these? You've got all the different little dogs. Oh my word, so cute. I've got a friend with a Dachshund, so I'm sure that will appeal to her. I have a friend who likes pugs, so I'm sure that will appeal to her. There's just so many different options for card making here. Then the next one is called Let's Porty. It does tell you the names of each sheet up the corner there. So here we have the collie, we have a Dalmatian, we've got some sentiments on this one. So we've got You've Left Paw Prints on My Heart, Let's Porty, Someone Very Special, and then we've got some more puppies down here. Again, looks spanielish. That could be a black lab maybe. And then we've got Sorry You're Feeling Rough. That's brilliant, love it. So that's really cute. There we go. I would say that looks a bit like a lab. Super cute. Again, we have got a couple more sentiments here. So we have a Pawsome Day and Best Wishes. Round of applause, well done. These are so cute. Look. Aren't they gorgeous? Now all of these pop out, so that bit pops out, that bit pops out, that bit pops out, so you can use as much or as little as the topper as you want. You've also got some like border strips here that you can cut out. Then we have Your Perfect, great for Valentine's Day. I think there's actually a heart on that one. Isn't that gorgeous? We've got Woof across here, we've got the hearts, Be Mine. Yeah, this is quite Valentine's-y, isn't it? Really cute though, really cute. I love all these little paw print ones as well. They're gorgeous. So those are the topper sheets, and then you tend to find that the cardstocks will match some of the toppers. So this is the first one. I don't think it really matters which way it goes. So it's really pretty. You've got the flowers top and bottom. So it's really entirely up to you how you use it. Then you've got this really cute design across the middle. Then we have this one. Really autumnal, really like that. But again, it's got the heart, so it might well fit in with that Your Perfect Valentine's-y type toppers set. Then we have this one, which is a bit like a carpet, but with the dog paws on. So you can kind of see the floor here, and then that's like the rug. Really nice. We have this one, just got the flowers along the top, and then it's like, I don't know, it kind of reminds me, this is mud, that's your garden border, there's your flowers. It's obviously dogs, some of them dig in the garden, and that's kind of what that says to me. It's quite gardeny. Then, oh, how cute is that? So we've got the scalloped edges again with those hearts. So I really think, look how pretty that is. And the bones, I really think that fits in well with the Valentine's one. Look how gorgeous that one is. I love these. They're so pretty. So we've got a really dark blue over here. We've got like a check design here. Love this. It's foiled, really sparkling. It's got flowers. Then we have just like the floor, maybe a table edge, both sides. And this is the last one. So again, we've got the row of hearts, we've got like a check design. How great would that be for a male make? Because it's quite like male colours. It's a little bit of like foiling on the hearts. You could definitely use that bit. Could be your Valentine's card for your other half. You could just make a card for your dog for Valentine's, let's face it. We love our animals. So yeah, everything you need to make beautiful cards. So that's just a really quick look at the Puppy Love Hunkydory members free gift that's just arrived. I will be doing some videos using this collection because I think it's a really nice thing to share inspiration using these kits because they are quite popular, and I just think it's a nice thing to do. So keep your eyes on the channel. If you're not already subscribed, please do hit subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and there will be some videos coming your way very soon using this collection. Thank you so much for watching today. I really hope you enjoyed this really short sweet video. Let me know what you think of the members free gift. Are you loving it? Are you gonna get it? Have you already got it? I'd love to know. Drop me a comment down below and let's have a little chat. I will be back soon with more videos, so until next time, thank you so much once again for watching. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.